Welcome to my YouTube channel, Wellness-Energetics by Starwalker. Who is Deb Starwalker? I am an Ascension and Light Body coach, a Galactic Earth Healer, a Starseed and walk-in, a Shamanic Practitioner, energy therapist, metaphysical teacher, and maker of Ascension Sacred Geometry. My spiritual Earth mission is to help Mother Earth go through the Stargate for ascension. At age 27, I had a Starseed braided walk-in experience. And since then, I have remembered my soul mission and why I came to Earth, and it is to help in the ascension process. Along the way, I have been taught by blue-ray beings of light, archangels, ascended masters, galactic and interdimensional beings, and some may say or call them ETs, and nature spirits. And from these wonderful spiritual teachers, I have learned Ascension and Light Body awakening techniques, for they have channeled this information to me about how to awaken the light body in ascension, and I have personally practiced and gone through these techniques, so I know what they feel like, and I have been working on them so that I can share them with you for your ascension path. I've also been guided on how to do Galactic Earth Healing, which is basically anchoring in galactic ascension portals of light into Mother Earth. And I have gone to many places in the world where Spirit has directed me to do this kind of work, and it will be discussed in some of the videos on this channel. And through all these processes, I have learned to see, feel, and shift various types of energy. I've also been taught of how to use advanced ascension geometry for helping us on our spiritual path. Some of my earth schooling from humans has been shamanic practitioner training, which has helped me to fine-tune working with spirits in non-ordinary reality and power animals and nature spirits. Plus, I've been taking training in energy therapy, specifically working with energy and sound, and also been taught many various types of metaphysical topics. My soul has remembered and also experienced the remembrance of past lives, such as shamanic lives, where with this connection that doing shamanic work has came very easily to me. And also I've remembered past lives, such as being an Atlantean priest. And then I was sent to ancient Egypt and was taught by Thoth and Anubis. I also remember being in the Mayan lands and also many lives as a Native American. And because of the Starseed walk-in experience, I remember my galactic origin. And what I will share with you are new Ascension and Light Body teachings from the many spiritual wisdom teachers that have taught me. And this also includes Galactic Earth Healing information. and knowledge from my personal spiritual experiences of going through these techniques and experiencing what the Ascension and Light Body awakening is. And also I will share about the Angelic Merkaba Ascension Sacred Geometry, which is here to help you on your ascension path. For my goal is to inspire you in your personal ascension process and in your awakening to the divine being of light that you are. Thank you for watching the videos and for subscribing. And you can go to my website, wellness-energetics.com, to learn more about the teachings and offerings I can share. Blessings. This is Starwalker.